So today we're going to be unboxing and showing you the game, the building block game. This is what it looks like. It has 27 blocks in there, building blocks in there. So let's open it up, and we can do so many games over here. There are different kind of games we can do. I love the fact that you can use it to teach your child how to recognize colors and shape. So you see how it is? You like it?
Yes.
Okay, now let's remove all the colors from all the blocks from it. Let's remove it. So the first game that I want you to play is we're gonna try and assemble this. It has to go over there. Okay. Now what do you think will fit right over here? Which shape do you think? That one. Okay. So what shape do you think will fit over here? Do you think this will fit? No. Okay, let's pick another color. What about this? Okay. What other one? That one. Perfect. With this bubble puzzle fidget toy, not only does it help her recognize shapes, it also helps her recognize color and kind of makes her think about what to do and gives her logical reasoning and also calculation, like we counted how many bubbles to fit in that area, and whenever we count we press down the bubbles. This is an excellent gift for any child. It can help them with their arithmetic, with even addition. I love that this is a great gift. So if you want to gift somebody, give this, because this will not only keep them busy for a long time, but it will also help them in relieving stress, especially with anxiety. And this not only works great for children, but adults also can use it. So this is a wonderful gift, and I hope that we will just continue playing with it, continue to make mistakes and not make mistakes along the way. And I'm absolutely glad I got it for her.